Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change subtitles on your Crunchyroll app. So if you want to change subtitles on your Crunchyroll app and you're wondering how to do that, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to change your subtitles on your Crunchyroll application, first of all, go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app. Now, you have to make sure that you're logged into your Crunchyroll application. If you haven't, go ahead and log into your account. And then after you do that, you'll be available with this interface on your screen. Now, what you gotta do is go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner. After you do that, you'll be able to see the option of subtitles/CC language. After you do that, go ahead and tap on it in order to change subtitles. Now here, as you can see, several options. You can change any of them, whichever you like. You would like to see Crunchyroll videos in. So I'm gonna change it into English. So that's how you can easily change your subtitles on Crunchyroll app. As you can see, it has already been changed. So yeah, that's how quick and easy it was. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, then give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.